guys, Hurricane Ian has passed.
Yes.
So Hurricane Ian has passed, and Hurricane Ian has taken her voice from her.
Yes, guys.
Yeah.
I have a little bit of voice. A little bit.
Yeah.
So guys, we're really appreciative to God. We basically set up our water and our pans and we're waiting for the light to go away, and it never went. Yay!
Yes. Waiting for the water to go.
Never
Didn't
go.
Waiting for the internet to go. Didn't go.
Yes.
Waiting for the winds and the rains. And
The winds and the rain came,
but not as we expected.
Yeah.
And we are grateful.
We are
Believe
really
me.
grateful.
Believe me, we are grateful.
Yes, guys. We just hope that it remains like this. It should go, because the hurricane watch is no longer. So it's only for like tropical storm warning watch or something.
Currently we have a tropical storm warning for the Cayman Islands.
So it's going further and further away. It is suspected that at 4 p.m. and it's a little bit after 3 now, that they should give the all clear. It's not given as yet, so it's not a must.
So I've seen some images about damages over the Cayman Islands. Just a little bit, not a lot. Like some flooded roads. I think there was some tree that fell down. But there are just a few damages, not a lot of damages. We are very thankful. Cayman has been spared from a serious threat of Hurricane Ivan.
It's not Ivan, Leah, it's Ian.
From Hurricane Ian.
And really and truly, I wasn't looking forward to it. I wasn't looking forward to it at all, because we've experienced storm and it was not good. So I couldn't imagine a hurricane.
Welcome back to our channel. It is actually 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and basically we can say that Hurricane Ian has passed. Still having some lingering winds going on, but basically we can fairly see the worst has actually passed